You're watching TV. You see a news report about a robot revolution. Some experts say it's going to happen in 10 years, others in 20. But when exactly will it happen? Well, if you ask me, we're already in the middle of it. There's something that robots still can't do. They can calculate, analyze, and predict, but they cannot feel. Empathy, love, compassion, these are beyond code. No algorithm can replace a mother's comfort, a mentor's guidance, or a friend's support. That's the essence of humanity. What about artificial intelligence? It's learning to mimic human emotions. It can recognize facial expressions, understand natural language, and even respond with the appropriate emoji. But it's just a simulation. It doesn't really feel anything. And that's why, in the end, it will never be able to replace us. We need to focus on what makes us unique, our ability to connect with other people on a deep level, to understand their emotions, and respond with kindness and compassion. This is the true source of our strength, and it's what will allow us to thrive in the years to come. So don't worry about the robots taking over. They'll never be able to replace the human touch. Now, that's a future worth fighting for. Thank you. Now let us take a look at some of the amazing things that humans do that robots cannot. One of the most important things that humans do is care for each other. We form deep emotional bonds with our loved ones, and we are there for them when they need us the most. We comfort them when they're sad, celebrate with them when they're happy, and support them when they're struggling. Robots can't do that. They don't have the capacity to understand or respond to human emotions. Another thing that humans do that robots can't is create. We have the ability to imagine new possibilities and bring them into reality. We create art, music, and literature that captures the beauty and complexity of the human experience. We also create innovations that make our lives easier and better. Again, robots can't do this because creativity comes from the human heart and mind. Finally, humans have the ability to love. And this is perhaps the most important thing that we do that robots can't. Love is what makes us human. It's what drives us to be our best selves and do good things for others. Love is the most powerful force in the universe, and it's something that robots can never replace. So don't worry about the future. As long as humans are capable of feeling, creating, and loving, we will always have something that robots can't take away from us. What are some of the things that you do that robots can't? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.